Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and today we have another surprise unboxing from Charlotte Tilbury. So let me show you what I got. I mean, look at this box. It's huge. Let me just get rid of the paper. Wow. Wow. You got to see this, you guys. In fact, let me see if I can switch my camera. Look at what Charlotte sent me. So in case you don't know, I am an affiliate with Charlotte Tilbury, and her affiliate program is called the Magic Beauty Stars program. And when you're an affiliate with Charlotte, occasionally you get these little promo boxes sent to you. I mean, look at this product. I mean, I don't know what this totals, but it's clearly over $200 or $300. This alone, Magic Cream, she's known for her Magic Cream, her face cream. This is $100 right here. So, I mean, look at this. I would say this is probably close to $300, maybe. I don't know, could be more. I didn't really add it up, but this is amazing. So I'm going to go through here and show you what I got. Let me onto me. Okay. So, like I said, I got the Charlotte's Magic Day Cream Moisturizer, which she is known for. This is amazing, guys, and I keep telling you, not only is it a great day cream, I also use it at night. She does make a night cream, but I haven't tried her night cream yet. But I do like the day cream, and I'm wearing it right now, and it really gives a nice moist glow to the skin. Really, really helps hydrate and lock in the hydration in your skin, and it makes the perfect primer for makeup. When you put your makeup on, it just sort of glides on, and it looks beautiful. So this is definitely a must-have if you don't have her Magic Cream. Also, her Glow Toner, which goes very nicely with her Magic Serum, Crystal Elixir. The toner, and I've told you this before too, this smells amazing. These two products smell amazing. I think she uses rose water. That's one of the ingredients in here. But when you put it on, your face just sort of like, it feels like you're putting liquid gold on your face. And the same thing with the Crystal Elixir. These two products together help to close up any large pores you have. It helps to make your skin look younger, less fine lines and wrinkles. We talked about the pores, and it just really feels so soft on the skin, and your skin does have a gorgeous glow after you put them on. So these two products are also a must-have with the Magic Cream. She also sent me Magic Body Cream. Now, I have not tried this. It has caffeine in it, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, hydrates, smooths, lifts, reshapes the contours of your body, gives a glow. Oh, I can't wait to try this. You know what? Let's try it now. I'm going to put a little on my hand. Let's put some of this on. It looks like this. Let's put some of this on. Okay, let me just take this off. She has like a little seal. Let's put this on. I'm all about smell too. I have to say her lotions all smell the same. It's a nice, clean smell. It's not perfumey or anything like that, but it's a clean smell. Ooh, this is nice. I'm rubbing it into my hand, and it's nice. It feels really nice. This might be my new body/hand cream, because look at how dry my hands are. This really makes a difference in the back of my hand. I want to grab one of these too. Let's let's see. Ooh, this is the Pillow Talk Life-Changing Lip Mask. I've been wanting to try this too. This is a new product that she came out with. Look at this. Look at the packaging, you guys. I mean, when you pull this out of your bag, I mean, it just screams like rich. And this is the color. It's like a pink. Now, normally some people want to put their finger in. I don't like to use my fingers. I'm going to use a Q-tip. Hold on. Just going to get a Q-tip. I like to keep things sanitary. And I'm going to get enough on the Q-tip. And I'm going to use the other side of the Q-tip to get more because I don't like to double dip. Ooh. Ooh, it's got a nice little taste too. Not that you're supposed to eat it, but ooh, this is really nice. Maybe it'll help my lips because as you can see, I've got a lot of, from the winter, my lips are in bad shape. And I'm not wearing any makeup right now, so you can see what my skin looks like when I'm not wearing Charlotte. And when I wear Charlotte, you can see a huge difference in my skin and what I look like when I'm wearing makeup. But I am wearing her skincare, but this lip mask is nice. This particular one is the Pillow Talk shade. So it has a slightly pink shade, but it also comes in a clear. You can wear this during the day. You can put it on at night before you go to bed. You can even put it under a lipstick. Like if you're super dry, I might be doing that, putting a lipstick, put this under a lipstick. Put this on while I'm doing my skincare, let it sort of sit, and then after I do my makeup, then put your lipstick on. But it's a mask. It's a mask, but you can also use it as a lip balm. Just keep it on. It's only going to help your lips. You want to grab that. Ooh, and this. I already have one of these, but I love her AIRBRUSH Flawless Setting Spray. And this particular one, I think this is the matte version. The matte spray. Let me see. Is this the matte spray? Oh no, this is the regular one. This is the regular spray. And I like to use this while I'm doing my makeup. You can maybe do your foundation and your concealer and then spritz yourself. I also like to put a little bit on my ring finger after I do my concealer and pat it over my makeup and my concealer. It helps to get rid of makeup sitting in your fine lines. And then after I do a full face of makeup, I like to spray my face and it sets it. And your makeup is going to be, as I call it, hurricane proof. It's not going to move for more than 16 hours. You shouldn't have to touch up anything on your face. Maybe your lips, maybe, but that's it. This is really good. And it also comes in a matte. So if you don't like, this is going to give you more of a dewy, glowier look. If you prefer more of a matte, this also comes in a matte finish. Does the same thing. This is really good. This is Collagen Superfusion Facial Oil. Now I have this in the minis because she sells this in a travel size as well. This is the full size. This is amazing. This is like liquid gold. Let me open it and show you. This is another must-have. This I like to use at night because it's extremely, you just put a little bit of oil, just like one little drop will do you, and I pat it into my skin, all over my skin after I wash my face, after I tone. So you wash, cleanse, tone, then you do this. I use this more like a night serum. You could do it during the day too, but I like it as a night serum. Pat it into the skin really well, do your neck, whatever's left, do your hands, because this is good stuff, guys. Then use your moisturizer, your night moisturizer, or I like to use this at night too. and it seals everything in. And then in the morning when you wake up, your face is still glowing. It looks gorgeous. You want to grab this. This is like liquid collagen. This is another liquid gold. This is liquid gold for the day, and this is my liquid gold for the night. So these two products are must-haves for sure. So let me put this one away, and I've got one more to show you, and I'm actually gonna try that one on as soon as I put this one away. This, I've been wanting to try this, the Magic Hydrator Mist. It's a Radiant Skin Rescue Mist. So it helps fatigue skin recover. It gives you a radiant, hydrating glow, smoother, younger looking skin, and it's a pollution defense. Now this is something you want to do every day, even if you're not doing makeup, because I don't wear makeup every single day. But like right now, I did all my skincare. Normally after I do my skincare, I like to go over my face with something like this, but I hadn't tried Charlotte's yet, but now I have it. So now let's give it a shot. So let me just give it a squirt. Make sure it's working. And same thing as you would do with the AIRBRUSH finishing spray after you do your makeup. You're gonna do the same thing with this. So I like to go like this. Just kind of exit. Ooh, that smells really good. I got a little in my hair, but that's okay because it's moisturizing. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my neck. Oh boy. I can't even describe what the smell of this is. What is the main ingredient? What am I smelling in here? This has niacinamide in it, hyaluronic acid. Let me see, what else? Kombu extract? Maybe that's what I'm smelling. I don't know what it is that I'm smelling, but this smells wonderful on the skin. And look at the glow that it gave me, you guys. Let me bring you a little closer. I mean, I sprayed this on my face, so it gives it a dewy finish. This is what you're gonna do during the day. You might want to even carry this in your purse. Whether you're wearing makeup or not, if you just feel like dry or your face just feels lifeless, you want to spritz yourself with this. Just give it a spritz. And look, it just makes your skin look fresh and dewy, almost like I just jumped out of the shower. Like, it feels really nice on. And it smells good too. And when I say smells good, her products, it's like I said, it's not a perfumey smell, because I don't like that. It's like a clean, but like almost like an aromatherapy type of smell. So this is amazing. You want to get your hands on this. And I've been wanting this for so long. Thank you, Charlotte, for sending this to me. I'm so excited. And look at my lips. They got a little pink. And they're so moist. It really locks in the moisture too. I'm really liking that lip mask. So, like I said, I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to drop my link below if you're interested in purchasing any of these fine products, as well as if you're somebody that wants to become a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate. I'm also going to drop that link down there too, because you might be interested. And if you have what it takes, if you're somebody that's into beauty and you want to, do tutorials and wear makeup and talk about Charlotte Tilbury, I'm going to put that link down there too. Just click the link, fill out your information. I think you do have to have at least 1,000 followers on one of your social media accounts. She does look for that and make sure you have engagement back and forth with your followers. So, but you know what? Even if you're not sure, just fill out the information. I mean, if it's not for you, or if you're not the right match, they'll let you know. They let you know pretty quickly, but otherwise, you have nothing to lose, and it's fun. We get to do challenges and rank up, and you make a little bit of commission. And also, occasionally you get these beautiful promotional boxes sent to you, and I'm loving that. Who doesn't want, you know, a promotional box of makeup or skincare? So bring it on, right? So, so anyway, like I said, I'm going to put all my information below as well as the products that I just showed you. And if you're interested in purchasing anything, you can buy it from my link, and you will get 15% off if it's your first time buying online with Charlotte. It doesn't include bundles, anything that's bundled or has an already discounted price. It only includes everything that I just showed you that you buy singly, and then you can get 15% off your entire order. So I hope you liked my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I'd love to help you with Charlotte products, or even if you have any questions about the Magic Beauty Stars program. Other than that, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope I talk to you soon. Bye.